What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and I went ahead and got $100 worth of $1 bills from the bank today, and we're going to go through them to see if we can find anything valuable. So let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Some of these bills look heavily used. They look really, really worn, but I am hopeful that we find something, maybe some sequential bills, a trinary, binary, maybe even, a birthday date. So let's go ahead. Okay. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Maybe this could be a future birthday date, 0705, in the year 2152 when we're all gone. So you guys can do this too. You just go to your local bank, ask for $100 worth of ones or however many you want to go through, and simply just go through them and see what you can find. Okay. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Let's see. This one is really, really worn. Hoping for some star notes as well. These are all upside down. I might as well just turn it. Let's see. See if we can turn this pile around because these seem to be facing the other way. Trying to take my time to make sure I don't miss anything. You guys let me know if you guys like these videos better or the coin roll hunts. I think I like coin roll better, but you can also find some valuable. Oh, wait, let's see. 182. Here's a trinary, guys. It's a little worn. Trinary bill, there's only 3 numbers in the entire sequence. 182. You see it, the 28, 281. So that's 3 numbers. So because it's so worn, I don't really know if it's worth much, but might be able to get an extra $1 or 2 out of this. So I'll put that one to the side. So that's 1 so far. Zero 08. Oh, nope. I'm just waiting for that star note to pop out. Oh, do we have another one? Whoa, 7766 2766. There's another trinary, and this one is in much better condition. 7, 6, and 2 are the only 3 numbers. So this is a trinary bill, and it looks fairly decent. All right, awesome. Put that one to the side. So if you didn't know, trinary bills aren't as valuable as binary, but they are still worth, you could probably get about $5 for them for a $1 bill if it's in good condition. So they are still worth collecting. Binaries, on the other hand, you can get, what, $20, maybe even more. 20 to, I would say even upwards of like $70 if they're in really good condition for a binary. And that's 2 numbers only. Doesn't matter the order, you know, it could be 82228 or 828282. Now, if it's like each number is consecutively the same, like 828282, that would be a repeater, a super repeater. And those are worth a lot of money. So, yeah, guys, definitely ways to make money in this hobby for free, because if I don't find anything in these bills, you know, I'm taking them straight back to the bank and putting it in my account. So you definitely could do that too. All right. Come on, let's get a star note. I want a star note. Let's see. A lot of these bills are really old. Hopefully I'll get some cleaner ones next time. Oh, we got 3 zeros right here. If that was more zeros, we might have had, you know, a really cool bill. But it's okay. Come on, star note. That's what I want, star note. Let's go. So, if that 2 was an 8 or vice versa, that would be a repeater note. It would be where the first set of 4 numbers match the last 4 numbers. So if it was 2013, 2013, that would be a repeater note, and it would be worth over 20 bucks. So I guess better luck next time. It's a lot of 7s in this one. But it's still 4 numbers, so. Here's a star note. We got one. Not the best condition, but we got one, guys. So whenever you find a star note, you can go to Google and, you know, type in the numbers and see if it's worth, you know, anything other than the extra $1. You can see if it's one of the rare ones. But this one's pretty beat up. Got some stuff on it. But nevertheless, it is a star note. Yay. Place this to the side. Turn the stack around. Got some writing on this one. Three 9s. 4 numbers though. That 3 is a little uneven. Not really leveled with all the other ones. Interesting. All right. We're pushing along. Don't have too much left. About 75% through the pile. Haven't seen really any sequential bills unless they're out of order. Oh, is this another trinary? 5, 3, 8. Yep, we got another trinary. It's in okay condition. Worth maybe $2, $3. Nice. It's our third trinary bill, guys. And it doesn't have to be in any specific order, just 3 numbers. Let's turn this stack back around. Looks like all the bills are facing this way. That 8 is really high. Oh, we would have had another one if that 2 was different. 8180801 Would be nice to get a repeater bill someday. Oh, do we have a... Almost. We almost had a birthday note. So 0401, but it's 7785. If that was like a 1985, that would be a birthday note worth 10 to 15 bucks. Next time, I'm going to make sure all these bills are facing the right way. Okay. $3,000. So if this had more zeros in it, let's say 3 and then all zeros, that would be a low serial number note. And those sell for upwards of $500 if it's in really good condition. So 3 or maybe one other number and then zeros all across the board. A low serial number, and you can get really good money for those when they're in good condition. All right, we're coming to the end. Got a couple more left. Well, a few. Oh, wow. Another trinary, guys. And it has 4 8s in it. 6 8 8 8 8 6 0 6. So this stack has had a lot of trinary bills in it. This one is in okay condition. Wow. Let's put that to the side. Almost at the end of the stack, and we're still finding stuff. Someone colored this one. Good thing it's not super valuable. That would have been a bummer. And last dollar bill. All right, guys, so let me clean up this pile and then we can do a recap. Okay, guys, so here's what we found today. We found this futuristic birthday note, 0705-2152. It's a birthday of the future. I don't know if we want to count that one, but birthday notes sell for 10 to 15 bucks. Trinary note. Probably be able to get maybe 3 or 4 bucks for this one. Another trinary. Same value. Star note. I'm going to have to look this up. See what it's worth. See if it's a rare one. Another trinary note. If it would have had another 6 or another 2, it would have been binary. Or actually another 6 or another 7, it would have been binary. But since there's 3 numbers, it's trinary. And then lastly, we have another trinary note. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check your coins, check your dollar bills. There's plenty of errors out there that are waiting on you to make money off of them. And yeah, happy hunting. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.